Hello, welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about the packaging commands. So first of all, let us understand about the APT. APT stands for Advanced Packaging Tool, which is a tool and basically it is used to provide us the software in Linux systems. And the command that we are going to use called apt-get. So let us understand how we can install the package and remove the packages. So first of all, we are going to type here apt-get and then hit enter. There are lots of commands. Our first command is update, which will update the packages, and upgrade will perform an upgrade, which will upgrade the packages. And if we want to remove, we can simply type apt-get followed by the word remove and the package name. So let me show you one example. First of all, I will clear the screen and then I will type here apt-get install. I will what is most important in Linux. I will type here spider food and hit enter. And I always forgot to type here sudo, but this time I will type. Okay, so first of all, I will type here apt-get install spider food and I will hit enter. And then if we get this type of error, please type sudo so it will not give that error. I will hit enter. And as I have installed the spider food already, just for one example, I am showing this how we can use the apt-get command. So moving to the next command called apt-get remove. How we can remove any package that we don't want. So first of all, we will type here apt-get and then we will type here remove and the package name that we want. So I will type here spider food and I will hit enter. And again, same error. Please type here sudo so it will never give you a error. Here he's asking that you want to delete this spider food or remove the spider food. So I will type here S and it will delete the spider food data, but it will not delete the configuration files of the spider food. This sentence to be noted that the remove will only delete the package but not the configuration file. To delete the configuration file, we have to type here apt-get purge and the name of the package, and you will see all the configuration files and the data which is stored by the packages will be gone. So further we will move towards our next command called update and upgrading the packages. So if we want to upgrade the package name, any package, you will just type here apt get followed by remove update and the package name, or we can simply hit enter. It will update all the packages that we currently have. And one more time, type sudo, and it will be going to update all the packages that we have. But I didn't want that, so I will stop this by Control C. And let's talk about how we can check whether the software that we want is present or not. So first of all, we will type here apt followed by cach called cache. So first of all, we will type here apt followed by cache and search the package name that we want, and it will search all the package name. If in the repository package name is present, then it will retrieve it and show to us that the spider foot is an OSINT collection and reconnaissance tool. Furthermore, I am going to explain about the repository and the source list. So first of all, understand what the repository means. Repository means a software, or we can say a bunch of code, software, or anything that is present in a server for a specific distribution is called repository. And if we want to change our repository, or to to search in different repository, we have to change the list which is present in our OS system called source list. So if I type here cat slash etc slash apt source dot list and hit enter, sorry, here we have to type sources and list, we will get to know that the Kali OS is using his Kali repository from which we are mostly downloading our softwares or packages, but we can also add some different repository if we want to. So that tutorial I am going to show in next video. But still, if anybody didn't get how we can install the packages in Linux, please comment down. I can explain there also. And if there is any mistake of understanding related to myself about the anything, please comment down so I can further work on it and then present it. Thank you and have a nice day.